Hello dear viewer, my name is JB and the title of my story is Treasure in Your Measure. It is a lesson from nature, it is a lesson from the dog and the sparrow. One day, the dog said to the sparrow, I hate my life. All my life, I have been kept and monitored by my owner. I have always dreamt of going to many places around the world and exploring what it feels like to hover in the sky. Can you give me your feather so that I can fly and be free too? The sparrow saw how much the dog wished to have what it had. It said to the dog, I feel very sad that you do not value who you are and what you are made up of. If I give you my feathers, it will not work for you because you are not made for this. You will never be satisfied and happy when you try to be what you are not. The dog kept listening carefully to what the sparrow was saying. The sparrow continued, as for me, I hover around in the sky and source for what to eat. Around the trees, around the surroundings, in various layers of the atmosphere. I really wish to be in your shoes. Having an owner to take good care of me in every way. But I have decided to accept what I was made to be. And guess what? I am happy and satisfied with what I can achieve, with how I have been designed by God. I don't wish to be like any other animal because I know that God did not make a mistake when He made me a sparrow. And I know that God did not make you a mistake when He made you a dog. You have your benefits and I have my benefits. And I am going to use it to profit maximally. The lesson here is that, dear viewer, you are no mistake. There is a treasure in your measure. Be content with who you are being made to be and be the best at it. Enjoy it and be happy.